Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Good day, thank you for your inquiry on our used SKODA Superb hatch, SportLine, registration DF69HRC. This is just a video representation of the vehicle. Beautiful silver metallic. Lovely dark grey and silver finish alloy wheels. Black mirror caps. Rear privacy glass, so slight tint on the rear windows. We have the rear of the vehicle, slightly darkened tail lights, along with black trimmings. Vehicle is equipped with an enormous boot, as well as two part folding rear seats. Biggest boot space in our range. Here we have the left hand side of the vehicle, again in that perfect silver metallic finish. Here we have the rear with a partial leather and micro suede finish with white stitching. Micro suede and partial leather on the door panels, along with a carbon fiber finish on the trim. Here we have the front of the vehicle with sport seats in micro suede and partial leather. Electric adjustable driver's seat with memory function. We also have electric folding and heated door mirrors with electronic child lock control. Again finished off with the micro suede partial leather upholstery and the carbon fiber trimmings. We then also have a start stop engine, so keyless start, automatic headlights, and the vehicle does have a keyless entry. Here we have a gorgeous instrument cluster with sports dials. Vehicle has 4,300 miles, along with a 3-spoke steering with flattened bottom. Lovely big infotainment screen, all touch screen. Vehicle does come with satellite navigation, dual zone climate control with front heated seats, DSG gearbox, automatic tailgate, automatic parking brake, and again just finished off with a beautiful carbon fiber trim. Thank you so much for your inquiry on our used Superb Estate Sportline. If you have any other questions, or if you'd like to get into contact to log an inquiry, please feel free to contact us. Our contact number is 0208 686 8844. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.